Unlock the secrets of your website's visitors and transform your online presence with the power of Google Analytics. First, let's get Google Analytics set up. Head over to analyticsgoogle.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one once logged in. Click on Admin in the bottom left corner, then, in the Property column, click Create Property. Give your property a name, like your website's name, and select your reporting time zone and currency. Next, we need to create a data stream. Choose Web as your platform. Enter your website's URL and give your stream a name. Google Analytics will then provide you with a measurement ID, which looks something like DXXXXXXXXXX. This is crucial. Now the vital step: implementing this measurement ID on your website. The easiest way for most websites is through a tag management system like Google Tag Manager. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, Shopify, or Squarespace, they often have built-in integrations or plugins where you can simply paste your measurement ID. For custom-built websites, you'll typically need to add a tracking code snippet to the head section of every page. Your web developer can assist with this, or if you're comfortable, you can find detailed instructions in Google's Help Center. Once implemented, give it a little time, and you'll start seeing data populate in your Google Analytics account. The real-time report is great for seeing who's on your site right now, but the real gold is in understanding your audience. Pay attention to key metrics like users, which are unique visitors, and sessions, which are the total number of visits. Page views tell you how many pages were viewed. Dive into the audience reports to understand demographics, interests, and geographic locations of your visitors. The acquisition reports show you how people are finding your website, whether it's through organic search, social media, or paid ads, and the behavior reports reveal which pages are most popular and how users navigate through your site. By analyzing these reports, you can make informed decisions to improve your website, tailor your marketing efforts, and ultimately drive better results. Start tracking, start understanding, and start growing.